Hey everyone, set at All Your Cars. This is our 2013 Audi TTS. It's done 53,000 miles. It is the S-Tronic model. It's finished in Oolong grey. Comes fully serviced with a new MOT and warranty, etc. The car is absolutely beautiful. The 18-inch TTS wheels are all unmarked. They're in very nice condition. And it's just had 4 brand spanking new Toyo Proxy tyres fitted. In fact, that's how new they are. Oolong grey is a beautiful colour. Got a hint of blue to it in the sun. Really nice sparkle. And I think it suits the car really well. Got rear parking sensors. Quad tip exhaust. The spoiler. To my knowledge, the car is totally standard. There's no modifications to it. It's just a properly looked after, genuine example. Show you inside, beginning with the boot as usual. Nice size boot with a split folding rear seats. We have got the floor mats as you can see there. Don't think there's a spare wheel, no. But your toolkit, etc. is all in there. And then in the front, or in the cabin, this one's got the silk nappa leather in ebony black with the white stitch. And being the TTS, it has got the controls pack as well, so you get the leather centre console and dash cluster topping. It's got electric mirrors and windows, obviously, flat bottom steering wheel, multifunction with paddle shift, navigation plus, heated seats, mag ride. Has just had 2 shock absorbers as well on the rear. 53,583 miles. And I'll just start the car now and you'll see there are no warning lights other than your fuel light, obviously. It's one of our cars. But yeah, all dry sweep is perfect. I picked this car up personally, drove it back from Bristol. It was a lovely drive. Your centre, well, your navigation's obviously got your radio, AM, FM, but also should have auxiliary input, and it's got the SD cards at the back. Has it got Bluetooth? Yeah, we've got Bluetooth and navigation all working correct. You've got your handbooks in the glove box with your media interface as well. And that about sums that up. This is a wonderful example, totally genuine, unmolested TTS. You probably won't find one as nice as this again. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. Finance is available. We work with a number of brokers and lenders to try and find you the best deal that we can. Thanks for watching.